Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to download and install ERDAS Imagine 2025 and get a free student license. First of all, go to Google homepage and start writing the word Remote Sensing Portal and click OK. Then the Remote Sensing Portal website will appear. Open the Remote Sensing Portal to find the place where we will download and install ERDAS Imagine. At the top of the Remote Sensing Portal, you will find the word Brochures. Click the word Brochures. In the Brochures page, you will find the word ERDAS Imagine 2025 Installation Guide and the License Activation. This one at the end. Click here. Then this installation guide will open. In this installation guide, you will find a step-by-step installation, starting from page number 3, starting from here. At this place, you will find the link to download ERDAS Imagine 2025. Click here to download a compressed file, .rar file, which include the ERDAS Imagine 2025 version, which is this one, Imagine v16.9, this one. After downloading this file, continue following step by step from this guide, pressing extracting the file and pressing setup.exe, which is this one, and then go step by step in the installation as seen in all these screenshots until page number 7. In page number 7, you will find another link. This link is used to download the dataset, which consists of several satellite images used in our training courses and exams. Start downloading this dataset. You will find this file. When you download any file from these links, you will find a message saying couldn't preview. In this message, because the file is too large, click download. And if this message appear, click download anyway. This is because the file size is large. Okay, now after you follow this instruction and install ERDAS Imagine, when you run ERDAS Imagine from the start menu, you will be asked to paste the license or the activation key. In this screen, you will paste the activation key and press next, then ERDAS Imagine will work. But how you get the activation key? You will get the activation key from our email. If you purchase any course from our course list, you will get a free student license. This is the email coming to you with the license. Go down until you find the word activation key, and here is your activation key. You just copy it and paste it here in this area below the node locked activation ID, and press next. Then the license will be activated and you will press finish and start running the software from the start menu. You will find everything working well, and congratulations, now you have finished installing ERDAS Imagine. Okay, let's apply all these steps. Regarding the license, I would like to let you know first that this is our course list of the Remote Sensing Portal. It includes 16 online courses in remote sensing, moving gradually step by step, followed by 2 new courses in GeoAI Machine Learning and GeoAI Deep Learning. If you enroll in any number of courses, you will receive the ERDAS Imagine license free of charge, as long as you are studying these courses. Okay, let's start installation. First of all, these are the two downloaded files. This is the ERDAS Imagine file. Right click and click extract here. It will start extracting as we see in front of us. Now the extraction has finished. Double click this file, setup.exe, to start the installation. Here click yes. Then click here and here, and then click install. The installation will start. Click next. Click I accept terms. Click next. Click next. This is the path where ERDAS Imagine will be installed. You can change it to be any other folder rather than the C folder, or you can keep it as it is. Click next. Click install. This step takes long time due to the large size of ERDAS Imagine. Now click finish. Click OK. Now go to start menu. Start searching for ERDAS Imagine. You will find ERDAS Imagine 2025 installed. You can run it from here. After it runs, it will request the license, which is called the activation key. We will go to get the activation key from our email. As we mentioned at the beginning, if you enrolled in any count of courses, any number of courses from the remote sensing portal, according to your course's duration, you will get a free student license that allow you to activate ERDAS Imagine 2025 on your personal laptop. Now ERDAS Imagine is opening for the first time. Yes, here is it. Unable to license ERDAS Imagine. Click OK. This window will open requesting the license. Instead of concurrent license, click here on the node locked license. And here we need to paste the license and click next. Let's go to our email. Here is our activation key for the license, copy it, then click paste and click next. The license is now activating and ERDAS Imagine will start. Yes, click finish and wait for the software to start. Now ERDAS Imagine is working. Congratulations, we have finished installation of ERDAS Imagine. Go back to the folder which we download, where we download ERDAS Imagine and the examples data. Here is the examples data, which includes the dataset which we will use in our training. We haven't extracted this file yet, so create a new folder and name it, for example, ERDAS inputs, and put this file, take it from here, cut and paste it in ERDAS input and extract your dataset here. Here you will find a group of satellite images from different satellites which you will use in our training courses and our exams. Now we have finished. Go to your Google or any search engine and search for the remote sensing portal and start repeating what I have described, and go to the brochures and the activation, the license installation and activation guide. Best wishes.